Hello students, to find out following structure, out of these four structure belongs to aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. Now find out first structure here. What is the condition? Compound should contain cyclic. First, this complete cyclic structure. So first condition is satisfied. What is the second condition? Compound should contain conjugation. Conjugation means what I said, double single. So double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then positive charge. So here also conjugation is there. So here conjugation also completely conjugation. And what is the third condition? Compound should contain planar shape. So this is all carbons undergoes, each and every atom undergoes sp2 hybridization. So each and every carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. So this shape is planar shape, planar or sp2 hybridization. The third condition also satisfied. What about fourth condition? This fourth condition means what? That is, how many pi electrons are there in this compound? Here 2 pi from here, 2 pi electrons from here, 2 pi from here. So total 6 pi electrons are there. Total 6 pi electrons are present. So 6 pi electrons are belongs to aromatic compound. First compound is aromatic. What about second compound here? Double single negative charge. So here first condition is cyclic, first condition is satisfied. Second condition also conjugation, the compound is completely conjugation. Second condition also satisfied. What about third condition? Each and every carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization with planar shape. Third condition also satisfied. What about fourth condition? In fourth condition is how many pi electrons are there? Here 2 pi electrons, from here 2 pi electrons, here also 2 pi electrons, total 6 pi. And here negative charge is there. This negative charge having 2 electrons, the negative charge having 2 electrons. This negative charge also participating in the resonance. So that's why total pi electrons 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here. The negative charge also having 2 pi electrons. So total 8 pi electrons are present. In second compound having 8 pi electrons. This 8 pi electrons are belongs to anti-aromatic. This second anti-aromatic. 8 pi electrons compound is always belongs to anti-aromatic compound. The second compound is anti-aromatic. And what about third compound? This third compound is, that is naphthalene. Third compound is naphthalene. Double single, all conjugation is there, all are satisfied. Cyclic structure, completely conjugation, completely planar, and total pi electrons here 10 pi electrons are there. 1 2 3 4 5 5 to the 10. Each pi bond, each double bond having 2 pi electrons. So that's why total pi electrons are present. This total pi electrons are belongs to aromatic compound. This is also aromatic compound. And what about next very most important, that is biphenyl. It is also very most important, student. What about this biphenyl? In biphenyl, what is the condition? Same thing, compound should contain cyclic, is completely cyclic. And second condition is compound should contain conjugation. Here also conjugation is completely conjugation. And what about third condition? Compound should contain sp2 with planar shape. And what about condition? What is the fourth condition? It must be follow the Huckel's rule. So it is also follow the Huckel's rule. And fourth condition here, how many pi electrons are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total 6 pi bonds are there. 6 double bonds are there. Each double bond contain 2 pi electrons. Total 12 pi electrons. This biphenyl 12, in biphenyl compound 12 pi electrons are present. These 12 pi electrons are belongs to anti-aromatic, but it is wrong. This is not belongs to anti-aromatic. What is the reason? Because of in biphenyls we consider the only single structure. We follow the single structure only. Don't consider the two structures. In biphenyls we consider the only single structure. So here in single benzene, like this single benzene, how many pi electrons are there? 6 pi electrons are there. So that it belongs to aromatic. And this is also belongs to aromatic. So this is not an anti-aromatic. It is very most important. In biphenyls we consider the word individual structure, means this is individual benzene, right side also individual benzene, and each compound undergoes only each compounds are belongs to aromatic only. Here also 6 pi electrons, so that's why it belongs to aromatic. And this is also having 6 pi electrons, so it is also belongs to aromatic. So these biphenyl compounds are belongs to aromatic. Biphenyl compound is belongs to aromatic, not anti-aromatic. It is very most important. Generally thinking here 12 pi electrons are there, generally 12 pi electrons is belongs to anti-aromatic, but this is reverse. So this is exception cases. In biphenyls we consider a single structure only, we should take the individual structure. In benzene 6 pi electron, this benzene also 6 pi electron, so total 6 pi electron. So this is individual structure is aromatic, this individual structure also aromatic, this is also 6 pi electron, this is also 6 pi electron. So students, if you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.